It's been a while. You guys have seen my faces on here. I know. As you know, or most of you know, I started uni, so I've been quite busy with uni stuff. But I'm coming back. Please, if this is your first time of watching, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me to grow this platform and share it as well. So today is Saturday, the month of October, and it's raining cotton dogs. I have someone here with me.
Look, I can even buy my
See you later.
Hi, Vloggy.
Huh?
Cute, it looks like a lemon.
Whoa. No. Yeah, but I think there's another one.
We're going to go on the
So guys, I need a bag. I don't like big bags. I want something like cross shoulder kind of bag. So something like this, or this one, or even this.
For belt. Oh, these are the cases.
They have for iPhone 12 though.
Look at this one.
This is for what's that? For what?
I think it's inside this thing. We have to ask the staff like that.
So we are queuing to go upstairs. Downstairs is the ladies section, and upstairs you have men's section, and we have to
Take the phone number you used to register.
07. Oh, is it mine or yours?
Just
Okay.
yours popped up already.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll be behind the till for you, ladies.
Okay, thank you. Very much. Thank you.
candy.
Say hello.
Hi, Maggie, Maggie.
We want to get some perfume.
It smells like fruit. On your body. Try that one. Put it on my hand first. Let me see.
Okay, no.
It's this one. Have you tried this one?
Okay,
Yeah, that's what I said. No, it's that one.
Oh my god.
That one?
This is so lovely.
Yeah. On my skin.
Oh, she didn't see that out.
I still like that. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I still like that one.
Because I'm gonna get you a fresh one.
Yeah.
No, that's the only offer they give them. They offer
me that. So they are. There's no price tag in that one either. Oh yeah, 129. They're lovely. Oh,
So,
biggest
Sophie?
ones now.
Sophie, the only...
So, and that's the biggest gold as well. So it's good.
Yeah.
And even the leather is the same.
My husband.
Yeah, test for the guys too.
I think you like this one. Smell it.
Try the other one for you.
You want me to be smelling of it?
No, you put it there then. No.
This one is strong. This one.
We are trying to get for the guys too.
The guy
Okay.
is 99, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
That is the final price going to be 57.
So which one did you say? Let me see.
Yes.
Okay,
Alright, thank you. She's trying to get perfume for her husband. Perfume or top? Which one do you say you want to get for? Perfume. The perfume. He's trying to call and ask if he would like it, but he's not picking. He said
No, my
he
husband
want more.
doesn't pick.
He said he want more Motira, no? I mean, who would get perfume and not appreciate it though? Yeah.
Behind the sale,
Okay.
I actually saw a bag that I really want, but not in the color. So if I go to Gucci store and I did not get it, I'm buying that one 100%. Look at this one. The way they even open the bag is sick. That's the other color. In blue, but I think this red is actually nice. The rain is not doing us so good at all. It's sewing, like I'm so exhausted as well. I need to pee, we need to eat. We've been going back and forth to different stores, but hey, bang, gang, gang, Balenciaga, gang.
Perché? Grazie, Elia. Vuole Stitching Apples? How do you think?
Oh, don't show me.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Yep. It's free